To continue our conversation about the loan officer of the future, we need to look at what we should expect over the next decade, 10 years. Customers' expectations are being driven partly by technology, but also the evolution of their behavior. They are influenced outside of their mortgage industry where content, interactions, and features are richer. Delivering interactive and rewarding experiences, this means engaging content. Consumers are making financial decisions based on information and research they find on the web, as well as referrals from family and friends. 57% of a typical purchase decision is made prior to talking with a loan provider. The demographics are shifting now, but over the next decade, the millennial buyers will be greater than the 50% of home purchasers that they are today. Gen Xers will start moving up into their forever homes or start looking at downsizing as they become empty nesters. Gen Z, that's who we're talking about now, will start becoming more prevalent in the first home buyer market. This generation is predicted to be less hesitant to get into the market as they have little to no memory of the housing crash of 2007-2008, so they have less fear than the millennials. Plus, they're going to have fewer economic concerns experiencing a better job market, low mortgage rates, and have no idea of life without Instagram. Each of these generations are going to require one form of home buying and refinancing advice that is different than any other segment. Then we have the great wealth transfer as world's ultra wealthy are expected to transfer an estimated $59 trillion in cash, property, and assets to the younger generation. Women are projected to control half of the U.S. wealth by 2020, largely driven by dramatic increases in earning power by female investors. So to sum it up, over the next decade, we expect to see the emergence of more technology that will be a larger influencer over the purchasing decisions. The need to stay up on technology, social media, video, and interactive content will continue to grow in necessity. The primary demographics making up close to 80% of the buyer pool will be between the older Gen X down through the Gen Zers, a proverbial millennial sandwich if you would. Women will be more prominent in the decision-making process, and single women may rival the married couple in purchasing homes. The transfer of wealth may allow more of the younger generation to purchase with substantial down payments. Next time, we're going to continue the conversation on how to stay relevant in this changing world. Well, that's it for this week's Loan Officer Insider Weekly. Thanks for joining me. Feel free to comment or suggest topics that you find valuable and comment below, and have a great week.